In this video, I'll show you a simple Excel formula that automatically flags completed months. I have a table here consisting of months and years. So what I want here is, I want a formula that would indicate if a particular month has already passed by or not. And this is an alternative to manually inputting, say, yes or no in the cells. We want Excel to automatically indicate whether a month has passed by or not based on the current date. And this has many practical applications, for example, in things like retention trackers, probation trackers, project milestone tracking, etc. So the formula for achieving this is currently displayed on the screen right now. So this is the formula. I'm going to go ahead and apply this formula, and then I'll briefly explain how it works. Okay, there we go. I applied it to the first cell. Now I'm going to apply it to the full range and drag it down. Okay, there we go. The formula has successfully been applied, and as you can see, the formula has successfully flagged all the months that are in the past. And the formula will also automatically flag months in the future as well. So once we go into a future month, it will flag the previous month as yes. So if a month has already passed by, it's going to return yes. Otherwise, it's going to return blank, as that's what's indicated in the formula. So I'll briefly explain how this formula works. The today here gets today's date, so Excel knows the current month. The date value, the section over here, this part converts the month's name in the table into a real date that Excel can understand. Now this month section surrounding it, what it does is it extracts the month number, and this date that surrounds this part of the formula combines that month with the year in the column to build a full date. And finally, the EOMONTH converts the date to the last day of that month. Last but not least, the if statement at the beginning, which surrounds the entire formula, checks whether that month has already passed by or not. If it's passed by, Excel returns yes. Otherwise, it leaves the cell blank. And this has successfully given us exactly what we wanted. That is, it's flagged past months, and this will automatically flag months as time passes by. So if we check this, for example, 6 months from now, an extra 6 months would be flagged as yes. And that's how it works. And once again, this has many practical applications. One of them is, for example, a customer retention tracker. It can be used for things like tracking mortgage payments, rental retention, subscription tracking, warranty tracking. It can also be used for things like employee probation tracking. Also to track project milestones, budget monitoring, and it could have many, many other applications as well. I hope you found this video useful and got some value out of it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.